Hello, good morning, and from everywhere you'll be hearing my voice from. This is Demiladeyh creative. Um, I'm trying to show you how I come about this birthday design on your screen. So I started with a clean background, then I created ingredients field. After which I created my ingredients field, I added the image to make it look beautiful. I added some textures to it. After adding the textures to it, I added a lighting effect, making use of my brush too. And yeah, that's how we started. The magic started. After which we started adding our elements already, and my ribbon, and I clip maxed a image into the ribbon. After which I wrote out the frame, which I already created, the frame of the image and of the flyer rather. I already created it. So after which I added my other design. I created a morphism for the flyer. Yeah, and I added I load it. I added the logo for the flyer for the student association, which I already created before the design, so it was making my work easier and faster. So after which I added I wanted to add a Christmas cap, but it was not working the way I wanted, so I removed it and I added all the thing related to it. So now it's time for me to add the birthday flyer, the birthday text. I added everything, and throughout the design you will notice there's a consistency with the fonts, because I made use of close font family aside from just the font difference. So I added the name of the birthday celebrant, and I added what else? I added the dates, making use of the beautiful stamp color, and now to the final touch, which is the associational edge. And that's how I come about this.